Hey YouTube, just thought I would make another little video. I'm cleaning out my evaporator on my heat pump, and luckily I got one of the easy ones. I just pulled the side off of it right here, and looks like this is going to be really easy to clean. The blower's on top, and it ain't one of the V-shaped ones that you have to get to the inside to get to. I mean, this looks like it's going to be really easy, and I got me let's see what I do with it. A pet brush. This works really awesome for cleaning out this vent. I've already cleaned a little bit of it, and it's filthy, but yeah, you can see right here. I haven't cleaned it since I lived here, and it's filthy. Yeah, see what I got? And let's take it over here and the old shop vac. And just do some more cleaning. Okay, I got the majority of that junk out of there with my pet brush. Definitely recommend using one of these, because that's a nasty mess. Before you start this, I should have said before, just turn your AC off and just run your fan for about, I don't know, an hour or two. That'll make sure your evaporator is good and dry, instead of you can clean it off dust instead of mud. Anyway, I got it cleaned up pretty good. Now I'm just gonna get my shop vac and vacuum it real good. Should be good to pop it back together. Okay, I got her all buttoned back up. Seems like she's doing real good. It's got to be better than what it was. Anyway, I hope this helps somebody. I'll have a good day.